students, good morning. I am Deepa C. Today we are discussing unit cell. Now, and crystalline lattice. What is crystalline lattice? A three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles in a given space is called crystal lattice. Now, what is lattice point? The position occupied by constituent particles present is called lattice points. For example, if this is a cube, then all the points, these are lattice point because these points are representing either atom, molecules, ions, etc. Now, look what is unit cell. The smallest unit of a whole crystal which on repeated in 3 dimension produce crystal lattice. For example, if a cube is made by these 4, then each, the smallest one is called unit cell. Similarly, when we say if we watch building making, the brick, the smallest brick is known as unit cell. On repeated stacking of it, we produce a wall. So, unit cell is the smallest repeating unit which will produce crystal. Now, unit cell, it is characterized by 6 parameters. It is characterized by 6 parameters. Now, if we say these are edges, so it is A, B and C. Edge lengths are parameter to characterize it, and the other 3 things is the angle between these edges. For example, if we see alpha, beta, gamma, you can clearly see alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is the angle between edges B and C. Beta is the angle between edges C and A, and gamma is the angle between B and A and B. So, next, what we observe, these 6 parameters should characterize a crystal. If a question comes, you write the parameters, you can say it are 6, 3 edge lengths and 3 angles. Now, unit cell is of 2 types, primitive and another one is centered unit cell. Primitive unit cell, when constituent particles are present only at corners, you can see in the diagram, then it is called primitive unit cell. And another one is centered unit cell, centered or non-primitive unit cell. What is centered unit cell? If in addition to these all 4 points, we observe another constituent on the center of S, either face, either in the body, then it is called centered unit cell. For example, face centered cell. Here constituent particles are present on each face. You know, here we have 6 faces: above, below, front, back and side. And in center of every face, a atom is present along with those present at the 8 corners. Then it is called face centered cell. Again, if we see next, body centered cell, what we will see, there is present in a center of a body a constituent particle. And one more which is not included in our course is n-centered. When your constituent particles and in addition to the 8 corners are present on two opposite faces, any two, either this or this or this. So, this is 8-centered unit cell as you can see in a diagram. Now, these all unit cell has been classified into 7 types. Basis alpha, beta, gamma and edges length A, B and C. So, we see cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhomboidal, monoclinic, triclinic. Now, this you can see cubic, A is equal to B, B is equal to C and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Now, rest trigonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, these are the tasks I have given to you to complete it by seeing in the book. So, you just complete it and these crystals are again divided into 14 Bravais lattice. Of 14 Bravais lattice, you should remember only orthorhombic has all 4 primitive type, that is primitive, face centered, बॉडी सेंटर्ड एंड एंड सेंटर्ड. तो आपके ये है 7 क्रिस्टल और इसको आगे आप फर्दर क्लासिफाइड करेंगे. देन वी विल हैव 14 ब्रावेस लैटिस. आपके बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में क्वेश्चंस जो इस पे आता है ये पूछा जाता है कि आप इनके एज लेंथ बताइए या इनके एंगल्स बताइए. हाफ मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन बनता है, इसीलिए ये टास्क मैंने आपको दिया है. डायग्राम आपके बना हुआ है, यू जस्ट वॉच इट एंड फाइंड आउट. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम अ ब्रेवियस लैटिस विच हैव ऑल टाइप ऑफ यूनिट सेल एंड दैट इज ऑर्थोरोम्बिक. दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. गुड डे. थैंक यू.